Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey that starts in ancient India and catapults us all the way to the moon. Yes, you heard that right, the moon. Let's start with Aryabhata, a young genius born in 476 CE, who was so fascinated by the cosmos that he wrote the Aryabhata at just 23. This wasn't just a book, it introduced the world to the concept of zero and the decimal system. Fast forward to 598 CE and we meet Brahmagupta, another trailblazer who wrote the Brahmasphira Siddhanta, the first text to provide rules for computing with zero. These ancient mathematicians laid the foundation for modern math, and believe it or not, their legacy is still felt today. How, you ask? Well, fasten your seatbelts because we're blasting off to the moon with India's Chandrayaan-3. That's right, the mathematical principles that Aryabhata and Brahmagupta developed centuries ago have propelled India into the space age. So, from zero to the moon, India's journey is a testament to human curiosity, innovation, and the power of math. If this roller coaster ride through time and space blew your mind, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic stories. Until next time, keep exploring.